Welcome to Software Testing Lessons Part 8. Today we are going to learn about bugs and defects. So bugs and defects both point at the issues found in the software, but there is a small difference in their definition. Also, note that it's common to find people using these terms interchangeably, and it's okay as long as we understand that there is an issue that may need a fix. What is a bug? Bug is an error in the code causing unexpected behaviors. For example, say you added new code to change the sign-in button on a login screen. But when you try to log in, the sign-in button does not do anything and you are stuck at the login screen. And this will be considered as a bug. Next, what is a defect? Defect is a deviation from actual requirement. For example, say there is a requirement to implement a login screen. When user enters the username and password and hit login button, you expect to redirect to a success screen. But in actual, what's happening is that instead of success screen, user is redirected to the landing page. In this case, even though there is no real error, but still the redirection is happening to a different screen, different than what was asked in the requirements. So this will be considered as a defect. As I mentioned earlier, regardless of the definition, both bug and defect points to an issue. So now the question is, what happens when an issue is found? Alright, let's go ahead and understand the high-level process. First, a bug ticket is created with all the necessary details like steps to recreate the bug, environment, test data, and screenshots. Usually the person who found the issue is the one to put all these details together. Next, the product teams help assign severity and priority to the issue. If the issue is high severity, then it gets assigned the high priority and teams start working on the fix right away. If the issue is not that serious, then it gets added to the backlog list of items that developers are going to work on in upcoming days. Also, for any high severity bugs, it's recommended that post-mortem analyses are conducted so that teams can learn from the issue and mitigate the risk of occurrence of similar issues in future by implementing appropriate quality measures. I hope this lesson helps you understand the difference between bug and defect and the high-level process involved in their resolution. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.